guide you through how to set your screen color back to normal on Samsung phone. So the first thing you need to do is to open your settings app, scroll down and tap on display, then look for screen mode or screen color depending on your device. Once you're inside, you'll usually see options like vivid and natural. Choose natural if you want more balance, realistic colors, but if you prefer vivid, you can manually adjust the white balance sliders for red, green, and blue until the screen looks normal to your eyes. Next, go back and check if eye comfort shield or blue light filter is turned on because this feature can make your screen look warm or yellow. So turn it off or reduce the intensity. After that, head to accessibility, tap on visibility enhancements, and make sure colors adjustment or color inversion is turned off since this can drastically change your display colors. And finally, if everything still looks off, restart your phone to refresh the system.